Circulation boosters, 8 foods for better blood flow to your legs and feet. The human body is an intricate network of systems working together to maintain health and functionality. One of the most vital processes is circulation, the continuous movement of blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing waste. Proper circulation is especially crucial for the legs and feet, as they are the farthest from the heart and often experience reduced blood flow. Poor circulation in the lower extremities can lead to discomfort, swelling, numbness, or even more serious health conditions. Fortunately, diet plays a significant role in improving circulation. By incorporating specific foods known to enhance blood flow, you can naturally support your vascular health. Be sure to watch to the end because here are 8 powerful foods that can help boost circulation to your legs and feet. Like and subscribe for more videos like this to help you reach your optimal health. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and prevent blood clot formation, 3 critical factors in promoting better circulation. How it helps. Omega-3s increase nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. They reduce triglycerides, lowering the risk of arterial blockages. They help prevent clotting, which reduces the risk of deep vein thrombosis and other circulation-related issues. Fatty fish contain high levels of DHA and EPA, which have been linked to improved arterial function and reduced arterial stiffness. Tip: aim to consume fatty fish at least twice a week. You can bake, grill, or poach fish to retain its healthy fats. If you do not eat fish, consider taking a high-quality fish oil supplement. Garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to heart and vascular health. It contains allicin, a sulfur compound that has been shown to widen blood vessels, thereby improving blood circulation. How it helps. Allicin helps relax and expand blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. It reduces plaque buildup in the arteries, decreasing the risk of atherosclerosis. It lowers cholesterol and supports immune function. Studies suggest that garlic can help reduce high blood pressure by enhancing blood vessel flexibility and improving endothelial function. Tip: consuming 1 to 2 raw or lightly cooked garlic cloves daily can optimize circulation benefits. Crush or chop garlic before consuming to activate its allicin content. If the taste is too strong, consider taking garlic supplements. Walnuts are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that supports vascular health and circulation. How it helps. ALA helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in blood vessels. They boost nitric oxide production, which relaxes and dilates blood vessels. Regular consumption has been linked to lower blood pressure and improved arterial function. Walnuts also contain magnesium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood flow and relax blood vessels. Tip: a handful of walnuts, about 1 ounce daily, can be a great snack for circulation support. Add them to salads, oatmeal, or smoothies for a nutrient boost. Turmeric, known for its active compound curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and blood flow enhancing properties. How it helps. Curcumin helps improve the function of the lining of blood vessels, known as the endothelium. It reduces inflammation that can contribute to restricted blood flow. It has been shown to reduce oxidative stress, which can damage blood vessels. Turmeric also helps reduce the risk of blood clot formation and supports cardiovascular health. Tip: add black pepper to turmeric to increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Try drinking turmeric tea or adding it to soups and curries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids which promote circulation. How it helps. Flavonoids stimulate nitric oxide production, improving blood vessel dilation. They combat oxidative stress and inflammation, preventing arterial damage. Regular berry consumption has been linked to reduced blood pressure. Berries are also rich in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and support overall heart health. Tip: eating 1 cup of mixed berries daily can support vascular health. Add them to yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal for an easy way to incorporate them into your diet. Oranges and other citrus fruits are excellent sources of vitamin C and flavonoids, which strengthen blood vessels and improve circulation. How it helps. Vitamin C helps maintain the integrity of blood vessels. Flavonoids improve capillary strength and function. They reduce arterial stiffness, promoting smoother blood flow. Citrus fruits contain hesperidin, a compound that has been linked to improved vascular function and reduced blood pressure. Tip: incorporate 1 orange or a glass of fresh orange juice daily. Avoid store-bought juices with added sugar. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa is packed with flavonols that boost circulation. How it helps. Flavonols enhance nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels. It reduces inflammation and lowers blood pressure. It improves arterial function, supporting overall cardiovascular health. Dark chocolate contains magnesium, which helps maintain normal blood circulation. Tips: stick to 1 to 2 ounces of dark chocolate per day for the best results. Choose varieties with minimal added sugar. Spinach and other leafy greens are high in nitrates, which the body converts to nitric oxide to improve blood flow. Nitrates help dilate and relax blood vessels. They reduce blood pressure, lowering strain on arteries. They support overall cardiovascular function. Spinach also contains iron, which is important for oxygen transport in the blood. 1 serving of spinach daily can contribute to better circulation. Add it to salads, smoothies, or sautés. As we've just explored, the right foods can do wonders for improving blood circulation to your legs and feet. But if you're looking for an extra boost, there's another powerful option to start: Java Burn. Java Burn is a premium weight loss supplement that blends perfectly with your morning coffee, and it does more than just kickstart your metabolism. One of its key benefits is its ability to enhance blood circulation throughout your body, including to your legs and feet. With its unique formula of natural ingredients, Java Burn works to increase your body's natural thermogenesis process, promoting healthy blood flow while also supporting energy and fat burning. This combination not only helps improve circulation, but it also keeps you energized and focused throughout the day. By incorporating Java Burn into your daily routine, you're giving your body the support it needs to boost circulation, reduce inflammation, and ultimately help you feel more active and comfortable in your own skin. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to support better blood flow, Java Burn is the perfect addition to your wellness journey. Click the link in the description to get yours now. Improving circulation to your legs and feet is essential for overall vascular health. Including these 12 foods into your diet can help enhance blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. However, dietary changes should be complemented with regular exercise, proper hydration, and routine medical checkups for optimal results. Start making these simple yet impactful dietary adjustments today, and experience the benefits of improved circulation firsthand. Like and subscribe for more videos on the best natural remedies to keep you healthy. And if you found this helpful, be sure to drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you want to learn more about the best natural remedies for living a healthy lifestyle, watch this next video.